we're gonna go see sunset. Let's see if we can catch it. Yeah, this beautiful walk. We are going to Cascade complex. So it's right about 6 p.m. right now. It's autumn, so the sun doesn't set until around 7 or 8 p.m. So we're gonna go see sunset. Let's see if we can catch it. Yeah, this beautiful walk. Yeah, one thing I like about Yerevan, Armenia is it's a walkable city. I can walk anywhere. From the beginning to the end of the city, about 30 minutes, Yep, really nice. You can see a lot of restaurants around here. Right here, another restaurant, bar. They drink a lot of alcohol and vodka. You can go to any supermarket there, you will see a lot of different types of alcohol, beer, whiskey, vodka. Yeah, that's quite a culture here. Nice. And another thing is a scooter. You will see scooter right here. Yeah, you can rent a scooter, and you will see a lot of people ride a scooter. Yeah. What up? And also, what else I like about Yerevan, Armenia is people are so friendly. They don't smile very often, but when you go and talk to them, they are really helpful, really friendly. They are not afraid, and it's very, very safe. Like, I see a lot of people walking at midnight, after midnight. Even the ladies, they walk by themselves. And maybe sometimes only one or two they walk, and nobody seems to bother anybody. And someone told me that in Armenia told me that I asked my Airbnb host, is there any neighborhood that I should not walk? I should be careful at night. She said no, every neighborhood is safe. Of course, you have to do some common sense. Don't go out too late. If you see anybody coming close to you, so you try to walk really fast, and make sure that nobody gets close to you. Yeah. We are walking on Moscow Street, so you will see a lot of restaurant, bar, and also Ashley home, Laura Ashley home, right here. it's time to cross the road. So the cars, they stop if they see humans, not like in some other countries. So this is what I like. A lot of people are walking even after midnight, you know. And right now it's about 7:30 p.m. Yeah. This is Mesh Road, Mesh Stop, and venue to Cascade Complex. The ladder. Here. There's a water fountain. The houses here are pink because of the color of the sands they have. So you will see a lot of pink houses, pink buildings. It can be pretty boring sometimes to see the same houses. The letters are like U, you know, inverse U, inverted U, so many U, you will see. The letter here too, U, inverted U, U. These are Russians. I don't know, this looks like embassy. Another pink building, pink house. So you will see so many pink houses. So it can be a little bit boring sometimes, but it's also different at the same time. Oh, GPS show us this way, but which is wrong. You can't really get to the Cascade from here. So don't follow the GPS blindly. So you're gonna be nowhere if you follow GPS, because there's a gap behind me and the Cascade, you know. It's just like in the movies, the actor and the actresses on the other side of each other. Well, he's ignoring me. Now we got the Cascade. And then we got the Cascade. So it was built in 1970s during Soviet time. So it took quite a long time to finish. It was partly finished in 1980s. So the last stage of construction was done in around 2009. So but some parts of the Cascade still not finished. It's very beautiful. It has 572 steps. Let's go check it out inside. You see a lot of people sitting on the bench, just walking, a lot of tourists. So this is one of the most popular places right here. That's an old apartment. Right here is a new apartment. And another one is a new apartment. Okay, we are going to this Armenian restaurant. Let's go check it out. And I'm gonna tell you how much it costs and also what it tastes like.